So in this lesson we're going to have a look at simplifying surds. So we'll start with the square root of 20 as our first example. And the way that we're going to do this is we're going to break it down into its factor pairs. Okay, so 20, we're going to go for 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. And once I've done that, I'm looking for the biggest square number. So 4 is my biggest square number, so I'm going to circle this factor pair here, and I'm going to rewrite my square root of 20 as the square root of 4 times the square root of 5. Now I know the square root of 4 is 2, so I'm going to rewrite that as 2, and I'm going to leave the times by square root of 5 alone there. Now I can tidy this up to say that that is the same as 2 root 5. And that's it simplified. Now let's have a look at another example, the square root of 300. And we're going to break it down into its factor pairs like we did before. So we've got 1 and 300, 2 and 150. Still no square numbers just yet. So let's go for 3 and 100. There's my first square number there, and that's the biggest one I'm going to get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop there and just circle that as my factor pair. So the square root of 300 is the same as 3 times the square root of 100. I know the square root of 100 is 10, so I'm going to rewrite that, and we'll leave the square root of 3 and the times alone. And I know that is the same as 10 root 3. So let's have a look at the next one, and that would be the square root of 250. Break it down into its factor pairs. So we've got 1 and 250. We've got 2 and 125. The next one is 5 and 50. And then the one after that we get 10 and 25. Now the biggest square number I've got there is 10 and 25, 25 being the square number. So let's rewrite that as the square root of 10 times the square root of 25. We know the square root of 25 is 5. So I'm going to leave the other part alone, and then I can rewrite that as saying 5 root 10. Now with this next example, it's worked a little differently. So we've got the square root of 4 times the square root of 50, or 4 root 50. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave the 4 alone, and we'll take the square root of 50 separately. And we'll do the square root of 50 like we've done all the other examples. We'll look at the factor pairs. So I've got 1 and 50, 2 and 25. I'm going to stop there because 25 is a square number and it's going to be the biggest one I'm going to get. So I'm going to keep that factor pair as the one I'm going to split it up into. So that's the square root of 2 times the square root of 25. I know the square root of 25 is 5. So that's the square root of 2 times 5, which is the same as saying 5 root 2. Now, normally we'd stop there, but we've got this 4 that we haven't touched yet. And this is essentially going to be, we've got 4 lots of 5 root 2. And all we do here is we're going to multiply the two terms at the front together, which will give us 20 root 2. And that's how we simplify surds.